Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about how to make insert cards on your Cricut Joy. Hello, my name's Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the Cricut Joy and how to make insert cards. Now I have to admit, I just recently got my Cricut Joy and I love it. It is so tiny and so cute, but it is fast and it cuts like a dream. It is going to be my go-to for any kind of small project. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be doing more projects specifically for the Cricut Joy. Today's video is going to be all about insert cards. Now, I wanted to send something to my grandparents because I haven't seen them lately like we normally do, and I wanted to send them something that let them know that I'm still thinking about them. They're not really big about talking on the phone, which is kind of weird because older people like to talk on the phone, but not my grandparents. It's that Macedonian side of them. They don't really like to talk, period, really. Anyway, I wanted to send them a card, so I came up with this insert card file. See, it says thinking of you on it. I think it's really pretty. It's really simple. So let's head over to my blog. I'll show you how to get the file, and then we will head over to Design Space, and then we'll make it. Okay, so we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head down to the Resource Library tab. And if you don't have access, you can click the Get Access tab and you will be emailed the password to the library. But for now, we're going to click Enter the Library. And we're going to scroll down to where we see Thinking of You card. Click on that and you will download it to your computer. And we can open up Design Space and we will get started making the card. Okay, we have a new project opened up in Design Space, so we're going to head to Upload, then Upload Image, and Browse, and we're going to find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, and hit Open. You can rename it if you'd like, and then you can hit Save. And now we're going to highlight that and hit Insert Image. It'll bring it into our canvas. And this is already sized for the insert cards, so I'm going to change the machine to the Joy and click Make It. And it asks which mat you want to use. We are going to use the card mat for this tutorial, so I'm going to click on that. And we're going to want to change the size to the insert card, which is the 4.25 by 5.5 inches. And then we're going to need to rotate the image because the fold line is on the left hand side of our card. Then we can hit Continue. And we're going to select the insert cards as our material. And now it is ready for us to load the mat into the machine. But before I do that, I want to show you how to prep the card with the card mat. So the only two things we need for the tutorial is the card mat and the insert cards. You're going to take your insert card and slip it into the card mat, just like this, making sure that you line up the corners and then peel off the protective cover for the mat because that part is sticky like all of the other mats are for the Cricut. Give that a good rub. And now we can insert it into our machine. And the cool thing is the Joy will automatically start to pull in the card mat. Isn't that cool? Back at Design Space, it will prompt you to hit Go to start the cutting. Click that, and now we are off and ready to make this card. Okay, now we have our card cut out, and we have our insert, and I always grab a little bit of glue. Now, even though this is an insert card and it is designed just to slip in and no glue is needed, I do put a few dabs of glue. This is totally optional, it's just my thing, just to make sure that everything is stayed down the way that it's supposed to. Then you're going to take the corner of your insert and feed it through those little slits that the machine made. Feed one corner at a time. You want to be careful, not put too much pressure down, and repeat that for every corner. There we go. Give it a good press, and that is it. Your card is ready to go. Isn't that pretty? You can add your message right here. So cute. What did you think? Wasn't that super easy? I love that card mat. That thing is so cool. Cricut, if you're watching, you need to make something like that for the bigger machines too, not just the Cricut Joy. That mat is so awesome. I think that you are going to really like this card, and I'm certain that somebody who receives it is really going to like it. That is going to do it for me, guys. Until next time, make sure that you head over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have lots of other tutorials there. And hit like and subscribe if you like this video. That way you know every time that I make a new one. Until next time, guys, I am Nick. I am the Bearded Housewife. I will see you next time. Bye.